Your username is user. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. So let us start now. All right, I'll share my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Give a thumbs up if you are able to see. All right. Okay. So what we are going to start? Do you all know what we are going to do today? What is it about? Okay. All right. So it's a karate workshop, right? We are going to do something related to karate today. And as you can see on my screen, it's have fun and be fit. So we are not just going to learn karate, we are going to have a lot of fun while learning karate. And let me introduce myself. Just my name before we start. My name is Khadija Ahmed and I'll be your teacher for today's workshop. I hope all of you have a lot of fun and learn something. And yeah, all right. So what I'll do is I'll share a link with you, a Mentimeter link. So what you need to do is you need to press on the link. I'm sending the link in the chat box. So everyone check your chat box. I'll be sending the link in the chat box. Click on the link and there'll be a picture shown on the screen. And below that, there is a question. So what you need to do is, and there are two words that you can write. There are two empty spaces. So the question is, what comes to your mind first when you see this picture? So there's a picture. I will not describe the picture, but there's a picture on the screen. Have all of you opened the link? Just show me a thumbs up if you have. The last link that I sent, menti.com. Show a thumbs up if you have opened the link. Okay, everyone please open the link. All right. So what you need to do is, in the link, you need to type the word that comes to your mind when you see that picture. So I'll just do it and show it to you once. Okay, I can see the answers coming. Somebody has written, okay, very nice. See, if you see my screen, after you type in the answer, come to my screen, come to Zoom, and you will be able to see your words. Whatever you have typed, you will be able to see over here. It is related with karate. I can see karate, cool, sensei, kick, student. Okay, keep the answers coming. I have 14 answers right now and we are 35 people. So I want at least 30 responses very quickly. Okay, I have 16 now. Kung Fu, karate. This is film, Kung Fu, Japanese. All right. You can see a variety of answers. Judo. All right, 10 more answers and we'll proceed. 21. Nice. 2 masters. Other masters amongst the two of you? Anybody? Students, martial art, movie. No more answers? Be creative. Come on, come up with something. What comes to your mind? Okay, I think there are no more answers. So we'll proceed with this. So all of you guessed almost the correct thing. The correct thing. And this is actually karate. It's kicking, fighting. There are 2 masters. Okay, I see somebody else is also typed in. Learning to be confident. I think that's my favorite answer. Who has given that answer? Can you raise your hand, whoever has given that answer? Learning to be confident. It's okay. Oh. Who has raised their hand? Just a second. It's okay. All right. So I think that's my favorite answer. Okay. So let's proceed now. So you all have guessed the correct thing. Now they are fighting. We can see that the thing that comes to my mind is there are two men who are fighting with each other using kicks, punches, whatever. And obviously, when you are fighting, you require a lot of strength. So where does this strength come from? It comes from a lot of different sources. I could see some of you all were warming up, some of you all were already doing karate. So it comes from a lot of different sources, and karate is just one of those sources that gives you a lot of strength. So if you do karate, if you learn karate, you get a lot of strength. All right. So what we'll do is we will start with the workshop now. Okay, we'll start with the karate. But before that, what I want to tell you all is, like, let's consider karate to be a piece of cake, not a piece, a big cake. All right. And can you eat up all the cake, eat up the whole cake at once? Who can eat the whole cake at once? I can see some people nodding. And is there anybody who says yes? Anybody who can eat up the whole cake at once? All right. And even if somebody can, that's unhealthy. So what we are going to do is we're just going to take a piece of the cake. So karate is the whole cake. A piece of the cake is this workshop today. So we learn something about about karate in the workshop. All right. So let's start with a little bit of warm up. So as I said, all of you have to keep your cameras on. So anybody with cameras off, I will not be able to see you. I will not be able to correct if you go wrong. So everybody keep your cameras on. Okay. And now it's time to get up. Okay. It's a karate workshop. It's not your school lecture. So we don't need to sit anymore. Everybody stand up and go back. Here. Everybody, are you able to hear me and see me? Good. Everybody stand up, go at the back. All of you. Let me know who has their video off. Ananya, Riya, come on. I'll take names if you don't turn on your videos. And there are some good children who've turned on their videos. Okay. So now let's start with the warm up. So what we are going to do is we are going to jump on our toes. Like Sai had already done. He had done it right at the beginning before the workshop started. But now all of us will do. So go back and just jump on your toes. Start jumping. Jump. And since it's a karate workshop, I'll be counting in Japanese. Okay? So I'll do the count and all of us will jump. Let's start. Come on. Ich, ni, chan, chi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. Ich, ni, chan, chi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. Don't come to the camera, okay? I am coming to see you all. You keep jumping. Last 10 times. Ich, ni, shan, chi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. Okay, excellent. We are done with the jumping. You all can stop jumping now. But stay over there, stay over there. Now what we'll do is, since we'll be doing a little bit of punching, kicking, so we need to make our hands free. So for that, we'll hold our wrist like this and twist the wrist like this. Everyone. 10 times one way and then 10 times the other way. So everyone hold out your wrist like this. And I'll do the counting again. With it one by one wrist at a time. Yeah. Ich, ni, shan, chi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. Other way, reverse. Ich, ni, shan, chi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. The other hand, I was doing with my right, I'll do with my left now. Change your hands. And again, ich, ni, shan, chi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. Reverse. Ich, ni, shan, chi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. Excellent. Now, we'll have to do a hand rotation. So we need to keep our shoulders strong. For that, we'll twist our arms like this, okay? I'll go back and do it along with you. So everyone, stand up wherever you are and do. Ich, ni, shan, shi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. Reverse. From front to back now. Ich, ni, shan, shi, go, ruk, sach, hach, ku, ju. I can see some of the arms swinging very fast, like they have helicopter wings. Okay, done. Now let's start with the punching. Are you excited? Who is excited to start with the punching now, finally? We are done with the warm-up, we'll start with the punching. I need to see some reactions. Use the Zoom and give some reactions. Are you excited for the punches? Okay, I can see some of them. All right. Great, great. Okay. So now let's start with the punching. Don't start punching in the air, otherwise you will get hurt yourself. So I will tell you how to do the punching and then we'll do the punches. Okay? Thumbs up. Keep showing me the thumbs up. We are doing thumbs up advertisement over here. Thumbs up. All right. Okay. Now, let's see how to do the punch. Before that, can you just show me in the camera how do you punch? With what part of the hand do you punch? Show me in the camera, everyone. Come closer to the camera and show me. Which part of the hand do you punch from? Okay, I can see. Just, Atharva, don't punch. Your camera will break. Just show your hand. Okay. Vihan, I can see he's also punching. All right. Okay, so we punch with this part of the hand, this part, and it's called the fist, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is, first we are going to learn how to make a proper fist. We can't just make any fist and just start punching, otherwise we will hurt ourselves. So what we'll do is, we'll put our hands out like this. Everyone, palms in front of the camera. Both palms in front of the camera. Everyone. Okay, good. Now step by step, see how I do it and then do it with me. So you fold, fold, and then put your thumbs in front of the fingers. So it's a tight punch. Now come on, keep your fingers, keep your fist like this. We'll take a little picture before we proceed. Can we take a screenshot of this? Yeah, keep your fist like this, everyone, in front of the camera. Great. All right. So we know how to make a punch. Fist. Let's put our hands out and do it one last time before we start. So ich, ni, shan, shi. Tight fist, okay? Don't open it before the workshop ends. No, we'll open it. Don't worry. Okay. Now, what we'll do is, we need to see how to get the power to punch somebody. So suppose I have this pillow over here. I have to punch the pillow. I can't just punch it like this. See, it's not even moving. I have to have power and strength in my hand so that if I punch it, it goes away. I threw it right now, but we have to have that power so that it goes, like whenever we are punching something or somebody, it hits correctly. Okay? So for that, first I'll tell you which part of the hands we punch with. So we punch with this part of the hands, the knuckles. The first two knuckles, we punch with that part. So what we'll do is, we'll again stand up, go back. Stand up, go back, everyone. Stand straight. Make your fists, put your hands like this, and then put your right hand at the back, over here, like this. You keep standing, just see how I do it. One hand over here, one hand over here. This is how it should look like. Okay? Good. Now, we'll learn how to punch. Finally, we'll bring the punch. So we are going to punch with our right hands. Keep your right hands like this. The Shaktiman pose. Yes, right hands here. And then put your right hand over here. Again on the waist. From where you wear the belt. Not the karate belt. Any belt. Okay. Now we bring out the punch. We are punching with this hand. So see how I do it. What we have to do is, we have to bring this front and this at the back. They meet midway. They say a little hi, hello. Twist and punch. Simple. Let me do it one more time. I'm punching with my left hand this time. So I bring this forward. They say meet and then punch. Got it? Let's do it 20 times. So once with left hand, once with right hand. And follow my count and count with me. If you know the counting in Japanese, count with me so that you get energy. Okay? Let's start. Right, left hand up, right hand at the back. Everyone, left hand up, right hand at the back. No, don't use the pillow. Devi Shri Prasad, don't use the pillow. Just, this is punching in the air first. Then we'll use the pillow. Don't worry. Left hand up, right hand back. Excellent. I can see Abir bed. The two kids over there doing it, standing still. Okay. Now, do it with my counting. Don't miss the counting. Okay. Left hand up, right hand back. Ich. Only one punch. Ni. Sha. Shi. Go. Ruk. Sach. Hach. Ku. Ju. Excellent. Continue. Ich. Punch. Ni. Punch. Sha. Shi. Go. Ruk. Sach. Hach. Ku. Ju. Excellent. So let's see. Who do you think performed very well? Do you know how to do the punch now? Who knows how to punch now? Give me some reactions. Thumbs up or use Zoom. Okay. Good. We know how to punch now. But don't punch it. Don't use it on your siblings. Otherwise they'll get hurt. But don't worry. I'll also tell you how to block those punches. Keep the pillows. Kapilesh, keep the pillow. Don't use the pillow now. Keep it. Okay. So now we know how to do the punch. Now, what is there? I can see Krishna and Nikhil. I'm sorry, I can't read your full name. But yeah, if there are many Krishna and Nikhilesh. Yeah. So I can see two of them. What if both of them start fighting and Krishna punches Nikhilesh? But we have to teach Nikhilesh how to block the punch. Otherwise, Nikhilesh will get hurt, right? Nikhilesh, do you want to get hurt? Yes. So we need to learn how to block those punches. So if somebody is punching you, we need to block those punches. So I'll tell you how to do that now. Okay. So what you need to do is, you need to, again, I'll go stand at the back and I'll show it to you. Then I'll explain it to you. So, okay. Are you able to see me? Thumbs up. Okay. So if somebody is punching me from here, punching me like this, so I need to block the punch. So how I do it, I'll use my right hand and I'll take it to the left waist, the opposite waist, and I'll bring it from in to out. So instead of the punch hitting me here, I push the punch outwards. So it does not hit me, it goes away. So let's do this. Take your right hand, put it to your left waist, and into out. Into out. Everyone, yes. Now if you're blocking with the left hand, what we'll do? We'll keep our right hand at the back, left hand to the right waist, into out. Do everyone with your left hand. Into out. Everyone, into out. Excellent. I can see a lot of you are doing it very well. Okay, so what I'll do is, again I'll do the counting. You have to do the counting with me and the punch and the blocks. Okay, so it will be in like we'll do it one by one. Follow my count. Don't do it very fast. Okay, let's start. Keep your left hand up, right hand at the back. Okay, let's start. Ich. Ich is one. Ni. Other hand, left hand. Shan. Right hand. Shi. Right, left hand. Go. Right hand. Ruk. Left hand. Sach. Right hand. Hach. Left. Ku. Right. Ju. Left. Now I'll count a little faster so I can see how you are doing. Ich. Everyone, left hand up, right hand back. Ich. Right hand, block. Ni. Left. Shan. Shi. Go. Ruk. Sach. Hach. Ku. Ju. Last 10 times, okay? Everyone, again, left hand out, right hand at the back. Let's do this quickly. Then we'll learn how to do the kicks. Ich. Right hand. Ni. Left hand with full power. Shan. Right. Shi. Left. Go. Ruk. Sach. Hach. Ku. Ju. Okay. Good. Stop. All right. Now what we'll do is, all of you have the towels? Get the towels, the napkins. Bring it fast. I told you all to get it, huh? Keep it. Take it in your hand. Fast. We'll just wait for 10 seconds. Let's count. 10. Everyone put your fingers out. Let's count for the others. Whoever's here, count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Who is not here yet? I think everybody is here. Very nice. And show your napkins. Do a little bit. Do this. Okay. With it, don't do this. That is. Okay. Alright. Now what we'll do is, we'll do a little activity. So we know how to punch, right? But we need to know when to punch. And like suppose somebody is standing right here. I need to know how far that person is from me. When to punch so that the punch hits the person correctly. So we need to get the timing and the distance correctly. Are all of you able to hear me? Please give a thumbs up. Yeah, if you are able to hear me. Okay, that's great. Thank you. Okay, so let's continue. What we'll do is, see how I do it. I'm taking my napkin in one hand. I'll take it in the right hand. I'll hold it like this. Okay. What I have to do is, I have to throw and catch. So throw with your left hand, catch with your right. Throw with your right, catch with your left. Don't throw very high, otherwise you'll miss it. See, I missed it. I could not catch it. So throw little bit and catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Come on, do it with me. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Let's see who's able to catch all the napkins. Or like all the time. Who doesn't drop any? If you do not drop any, then just give me a thumbs up. Okay, come on. Last 10 times. Ich. Ni. Throw, catch. Shan. Throw, catch. Ju. Okay, excellent. Now you can keep your napkins to the side. Just keep them at the side. Okay. Say thank you to the napkins and say bye-bye. We don't need the napkins anymore. All right. Now, are you ready? What are we supposed to do now? Who knows? Can you all do the action and tell me? What do you think we'll do now? Do the action. I think Kahan has got it. Kahan is doing something. Pragna is also doing something. Yes. Okay, stop. We'll be doing the kicks now. Okay. So we've learned how to do the punch. We've learned how to do the block. Show me the punch, everyone. One punch in front of your cameras. But don't hit your camera. Yes. Punch is done. How to do the block if somebody punches you? How are we doing the block? Okay. Now the last karate thing that we are going to learn today is how to kick. Okay. So what I'll do is, again, I'll show it to you first and then we'll do it together. So see how I do it. I'll go back and are you able to see me? Thumbs up if you're able to see me. Great. So what we'll do is we'll stand with one leg at the back. So keep your right leg at the back, left leg in the front. You all can go back and stand like this. Right leg at the back, left leg in the front. Excellent. Not too far, not too wide. Little closer. And keep your hands like this in the fighting position. Okay? We'll kick with our right leg, the leg that is at the back. So keep your hands like this. Then I'll show you step by step. So we'll raise our leg, kick, back, raise, kick, back. Simple. Raise, kick, back. Everyone with me. Raise, kick, back. Come on, everyone. Stand like this, fighting position. And right leg kick. Raise, kick, back. Raise, kick, back. I'll do the counting. Itch. Raise, kick, back. Knee. Raise, kick, back. Shan. She. Devi Prasad. Do the kick, not the punching. We are doing the kicks right now. Sunana, I can see doing the kicks. Good. Shan. Kick. Meghna is doing it very well. Go. Rook. Sach. Hutch. Ku. Ju. Okay, now with the left leg. So keep your left leg at the back, right leg in front, fighting position, same thing. Raise, kick, back, raise, kick, back, raise, kick, back. With your left leg now. Itch, knee, shan, she. I can see Aradhya doing it with her mother, I think. Or is it an elder sibling? I'm not sure. Okay. Shan. She. Go. Rook. Don't kick into your devices. Otherwise, your parents will be like, what workshop was this? Our devices, you kicked the devices. Go. Rook. Such. I think Meghna is doing it very well. I'm taking her name twice because I can see her doing it very well. Such. Hutch. Ku. Ju. 5 times. Okay. Let's do it 5 more times with the right leg. So again, keep your right leg at the back. Just 5 more times, quickly. Let me see who does it the best. Itch. Knee. Vihan, why are you not doing the kicks? She. Itch. Knee. Shan. She. Go. All right. So we know how to do the punching, basic punches, basic blocks. You all can come and sit in front of the camera for maybe 10 seconds. Come and sit in front of the camera so that I can see your faces. I've seen your punches and your kicks. I want to see your faces now. Okay, so we've done the punches, we've done the blocks, and we've done the kicks. What we'll do now is we'll do a little parent activity. So quickly, in 10 seconds, I will count till 10. Go and call your parents, anybody, or an elder sibling, anyone. In 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and bring the pillows also. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 second left. Come on, fast. I can't see all the parents. Anybody, bring anyone. And should I do 0? I can't see all the parents. Thank you so much, parents, for joining. I can see some parents are already here. And all right. Okay. Good. So whoever hasn't called their parents, just go and do it quickly. We have a pillow and we have our parents, right? Okay. Abir, bed. Stop. Wait. Relax. I can see you practicing already. You all have figured out what the activity is. So that's what exactly we are going to do. Parents, what I want you to do is hold your pillow, like stand a little away from your children and hold the pillow like this. Keep your faces to the side. Because they might just, bring out all the energy and punch the pillow too hard. So keep your faces like this. Hold the pillow out. And the kids, you all need to stand like this and do the punches with my count. Don't punch too fast. I can see who punches fast. So do it with my count. So is everybody ready? Parents like this and the kids on the other side in the fighting position. Come on. Very nice. I can see Preetham and his mother ready. I can see Atharva and his father. Okay, nice. Let's start. Itch. Only the punches. Knee. Shan. She. Go. Ruk. Sach. Hach. Ku. And Ju. That's it. Come on. Very good. Did your kids perform well? Can you tell me if their kids performed well? All right. Okay. Great. Now, again, the parents and the kids, you all can come and sit in front of the camera. You all can keep the pillows to the side and come and sit in front of the camera. So I can see, we can take a good picture with everyone, the parents and the kids smiling. Okay, everyone. So sweet, good. Okay. Now what we'll do is, we'll play a small game before we end the session. Okay, we'll play one small game. Have you heard of the game Simon Says? Who has heard of the game Simon Says? Raise your hands if you've heard of the game Simon Says. Yeah, I can see some of you have heard. But since today it's a karate workshop, we are not going to do Simon Says because Simon doesn't know karate. So we'll have to teach him karate. Instead of that, we'll play the karate version of the game Simon Says, and that is called Sensei Says. So have you heard the word Sensei? Anybody? Sensei? I had seen it in the Mentimeter, somebody had said. Does anybody know the meaning of the word Sensei? Who knows? Okay, can you all type in the chat box what the meaning of the word Sensi is? It's okay. I think it's not enabled. All right. So what we'll do is, I am the Sensi. Sensi means teacher. Okay, Kapilesh typed. Okay, yeah, type in the chat box. It's available. Master, teacher. Okay. Great, great. So you all have got it. So a teacher is Sensi. So I am the Sensi. Parents, I want you to be the judge of the children because I can't see who does it correctly. So I want you to judge the children if they are doing it correctly or not. So I'll say something like Sensi says, do a punch with your left hand. So you have to punch with your left hand. Okay. So the kids go and stand up away from the camera. Parents can keep sitting in front of the camera. Yeah. All right. So are we ready to begin the game, Sensi says? Show me a thumbs up. Show me the fighting position. Yeah, let's do this for ready. No more thumbs up. We'll do this. Yes. Okay. So, and the parents, if we are going to do 10 rounds, so if your children has done all the 10 rounds correctly, just type in the chat box so that we can see your children has done all the 10 rounds correctly. So let's start. Sensi says, do a punch with your left hand. Okay. Sensi says, do 2 sit-ups. All right. Sensi says, kick with your right leg. Good. We have 3. Sensi says, do a punch with your right hand. Sensi says, do nothing. Sensi says, jump. Sensi says, do 2 punches. Sensi says, do a kick with your left leg. Last 2 left. Let's see who gets it correctly. Kick with your right leg. Did anybody kick? I did not say Sensi says. This is like Simon says. If I do not say, you do not have to kick. Okay. Last one. Sensi says, clap your hands. Let's see who can clap the loudest. Okay. Excellent. 9 correct. Vidit has got 9 correct. Great. Parents, you can type in if your children has got. Okay. Vijay has also got 9 correct. Excellent. Excellent. Now, I hope you had all correct. Great. Mehak also all correct. Vihan, excellent. Good. I should clap for you now. All of you. You did really great. So, what we'll do is, we'll fill a feedback form. Parents, you can keep the answers coming. Meanwhile, I'll just send a feedback form. So, like you've done for the other workshops, you have to fill a little feedback form for me so that I can understand if next time we have a workshop, what to work on and what not to, like what to improve. So I'll just send a message. Please click on that feedback form and fill it up right now. Okay, click on the feedback form and fill it up right now. So you have to, parents, you can help, you have to help the children fill it up. So you can ask the children for their feedback and then type it in words for them. So everyone to fill up the feedback form with the help of their parents right now. I hope all of you are filling up the feedback form. What did you like about the session? What did you not like about the session? I want to know everything. What do you want more sessions like this? What did you like the best? Okay, quickly. I'll give you 2 more minutes. And I want everyone. So once you're done filling up the feedback form, write done in the chat box. DONE, done in the chat box. Once you fill up the feedback form. Let's see who fills up the feedback form first. But no, who is this? Oh, I'm sending a link. Anisa, I'm sending a link. Open this link, docs.google.com. Yeah, this docs.google.com/ that is the whole link. All completed. Devi Sri Prasad. Very good. You are the first one. Did you fill the feedback form? Okay, Satviki, Advik. Nice. Okay. I want everybody to write the done first. User has done it. Okay. Abir Bed, done. Good. Quickly. We have one more thing left. So I want you all to complete it fast. Done. Pritham, V, Sai, done. Okay. I can't see all the 30 done. Quickly. Even my younger brother, Krishna and Nikhilesh. What your younger brother? He's also filled it up. Okay, done. Just one more minute and then I'll tell you. Can't find the link. Were you able to open the link? Just give a thumbs up if you were able to open the link. Okay. Anisa, it's this link. Google.docs. Wait. Did you find the link now? Done, Mehak. Okay. All right. 42. Okay. So keep filling the feedback forms. Meanwhile, I'll tell you about the challenge project. So like we had challenge project for other workshops, we'll have a challenge project for this. So I hope your parents are around. So if they are not around, just go and call them quickly. Titiksha Mishra has filled the form. Great. Everyone with your parents once again. Pragnay, you want me to unmute you? You can type in the chat box. I'll read your message. Pragnay, let me just find you. Okay, are all the parents here? I can't say everybody's parents. I want them to be here because this is something you all might not understand. Yes, I can see Vihan and his mom. Hello, ma'am. Abir. Yeah. I am Titiksha. Okay, Meghna was your mom's name. Sorry. Okay, so we are done with the filling up the feedback form. Now I'll tell you about the challenge project. So this is a very interesting thing. As if you are following if the parents you are following the Facebook group, you must have seen children putting up the dancing videos or some coding that they have done, some video that they have made, or some art that they have made. So we are going to do something like that. But since it's karate, we are going to have to take a video of ourselves punching. So what we have to do is, I'll just show you. I'll go back and I'll show it to you. You have to stand up and punch 10 times. You have to do the counting in Japanese. So it has to go like ich, ni, sha. Let me do it like this. Shi, go, ruk, such, hach, ku, ju. So do the punching 10 times. Right, left, like this. And parents, I want you to help the kids with this because they might get confused between right and left. So you can give them the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, you can give them the count. And you have to take a video of yourself doing that. So the kids will be punching, parents will be doing the count and taking a video. And then that video should not be more than 30 seconds. You take the video and you have to upload it on the Facebook group. So I'll just share my screen and I'll tell you how to do it. And it's not just uploading. There's some gift behind it. So you have to upload it on Facebook and then share it with your friends, families, everybody, family members, everyone. Pragna, just a second. Once I'm done with the, done giving the instructions, I'll unmute you. Okay, I'll give you all a chance to speak for the last 5 minutes. So yeah, as I was saying, yeah, you have to ask your friends and family members to like the post, and the post with the maximum number of likes. So it's just a 30 seconds video, and the post who gets the most number of likes will get a certificate and a free course from Camp K12. So free coding course from that. Other details I will not reveal to you, but there is some gift and a very interesting gift. So don't worry about that. So I want all of you, I can see 34 people over here. I want all 30 videos up on Facebook by tomorrow. Are you ready for the video? Who's up for the challenge, video challenge? Very nice. So please upload your videos tomorrow before 6 p.m. If you do not upload it before 6 p.m., you will not, your likes will not be counted. You will not get the reward. So I want all of you to upload it before 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. I have 30 people over here. I want all of them uploaded. So I'll just show it to you. This is the Facebook group. Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So I have just a second. I'll just open the Facebook page where we are doing this is the Camp K12 online community Facebook group. So I'll send the link right now. What you have to do is you have to go over here and you see Camp K12 online community. There is an option called, so I have logged in from my Facebook. Since I am old, I have a Facebook account, but you will not have it. So your parents will have to do it from their Facebook account. Press on create a public post. Then what we can do is we can just do photo of video. Since I have already taken the video before the class, before the workshop, I had taken the video. I have this video called challenge project. Then I will write like my daughter or my son. Anything about my daughter's son had a lot of fun in the karate workshop. Anything that you can see, anything. And it should be a 10 second, like 30-second video. I can just show it to you once if you want. I'll just post it and then just post it. So it's you can type in something, attach the video and post it. So it will take a little time because it's a video. So this is how you have to post. Did you understand how to post? Show me a thumbs up if you did. This is basically for the parents. The kids, all you have to do is you have to know how to do the punching. Okay? All right. So we are done with that. All right. Now what we'll do is there was somebody who wanted to say something, right? We have another 5 minutes. If you have something to say, I will unmute you and you can tell me. I think it was Pragnay, right? Yeah, Pragnay.